Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video will be a part 2 of my spring decluttering, organization, and cleaning series. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you never miss an upload. Good morning, y'all. I am in Jordan's room today. I got his hangers in, so we're going to start on his closet. His room is a mess, but here's the current state of his closet. As you can see, we got some adult size hangers and then some with the toddler size hangers, which are these right here that are too small for his clothes. So let's compare the hangers that I purchased from Amazon. All right, these are the hangers that I purchased from Amazon. These are the non-slip velvet hangers, a pack of 50. Here's the comparison. So toddler, medium size, adult size. So I think it's a great medium, and these should work perfectly for his clothes because like I said, these were way too big, way too small. So this should be just right.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights asleep.
Okay, I had to take a little break because I thought all of his joggers was gonna fit in here, which this goes inside of his closet, and this right here, but it's way too many. Plus, I still have all of this right here, so I had to pull these from the top of his closet, which some items in here I can find another home for. So I'm going to go ahead and probably empty out this one because I like to keep his extra sheets and stuff in here.
You always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah.
I will be taking these out of here. So when I purchased his bedding, I got these throw pillow covers as well. He could care less about these. He's a boy and they stay on the floor. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out of here and just wash the covers and store them. And I can use these somewhere else in my house. All right, here's the after of his closet. He had way more winter clothes that he didn't even get a chance to wear because it didn't get that cold here. So I put a lot of his joggers up there in two of those bins, and then he also have a lot in this one right here. Now it's time to go shopping for summer clothes. But this is all the shorts he have. He loved these cloth shorts and like the basketball style ones. I'm gonna have to get him some more of those. But yeah, he do wear uniforms to school, so usually my husband iron his uniforms for the week. Yeah, I'm gonna finish his room because it's almost time for him to come home. So I figured I would wash his sheets and stuff while I was in here. So I went ahead and took all of that off uh this side of the room right here. Yeah, so I honestly hate this desk in here. I don't like it in here because I feel like it take up too much space. His room is not that big to start with, and we had this in the craft room, but he wanted it back in here, so we put it back. Of course, he got this desk a mess. He was playing with his Legos. I'm not mad at that. At least he's playing with them. We had to eliminate electronics, so now he's starting to play with his toys. So I can't complain too much, but we got to do something about keeping this room together. So since I was on my spring cleaning journey, I figured I would come in here and get his room together. I was looking at his baseboards. Definitely need to clean those. Um, Once again, we're going to talk about eating and drinking up here because he know better. So I always know to come to his little nightstand because there's going to be some trash in here. And it's like I'm talking to a brick wall at this point because he continued to do this. But it wouldn't be a kid. They didn't listen, right? So we're going to get this cleaned up though.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back?
My hand's a little sticky because he had a ton of candy paper in here. Like I said, we're gonna have a talk when he get home. This one looks fine. I'm gonna clean off this right here. Get over there to his Legos. I wouldn't be surprised if he got trash all in there. Clean off that desk and then clean his baseboard.
Think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. I thought you would see me crying. Would you? No, don't have to clarify it. My worth, I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. But I am out.
I don't know what what these little things are, but it's on his screen. This is another neglected area, and I did clean some of the windowsills during the holidays, but I missed Jordan, so I'm gonna get this done. And I'm just using this vinegar and Dawn mix, so hopefully this works well and does not destroy anything. But I know a lot of people use this cleaner and they have good things to say about it, so I'm going to try it out. And I have no idea what this is on his screen. Kind of look like some paint or dirt. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's coming off, but kind of freaked me out a little bit. Then I'm going to take this Clorox wipe and just get all that nastiness up. Yep. It's kind of look like some mud or something. I don't know what that is.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time.
See what I'm talking about? This is proof, Mom, because I know you're watching my videos. Your grandchild is destructive. Why do you just destroy stuff?
Maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other and showing you my true colors. Yeah, I don't know why it's difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help. No, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out.
The last couple things I'll be taking care of in this video will be this banister. It is right in the foyer. When you walk in the house and look up, you will see this. Also, we have this light fixture that usually gets full of cobwebs. This area gets neglected because I rarely come to this side unless I'm going in the craft room.
On the sofa, I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through.
Last but not least, I'm going to be dusting off this table. Like I said, I rarely come on this side, so this table is full of dust. And I probably won't be keeping this here, but it's serving a purpose for now. And I'm also going to dust off the baseboards in the hallway, and my stairs were very dusty, so that will be the last thing. But as always, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Also, make sure you turn on that notification bell. That way you never miss an upload. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.